Welcome to the demo of the project titled MSP 430 based automated wheelchair, an aid for physically impaired. The TI components used are MSP 430 U48 development kit with MSP 430 F4270 microcontroller, SN7406, L293 and 7805. Other components are the accelerometer, the LCD and the DC motor for the prototype. The project is divided into four main blocks. The accelerometer, which senses the variations of the hand position and feeds the corresponding voltages to the microcontroller. MSP 430F4270 microcontroller, which is programmed to control the motion of the prototype. A visual display to indicate the direction of motion, and the last one, the prototype built using the DC motors. To begin with the functioning of the prototype, the sensor is tied to the user's hand as a wristband. The hand is in still position and it is taken as the reference position. Whenever the user's hand is in reference position, it is considered as a signal for forward motion. Thus, the corresponding indication is shown on the LCD and the forward motion can be observed on the prototype. When the user tilts his hand in the left direction, the prototype takes a left turn and corresponding direction, that is left, is displayed on the LCD. The prototype continues to take left turns until the user brings back his hand to the reference position. When the hand is brought back to the reference position, the prototype moves straight in the present direction. When the user tilts his hand in right direction, the prototype takes a right turn with the direction being displayed on LCD. The prototype continues to take right turns until the user brings back his hand to the reference position. Then the prototype moves straight in the present direction. Like this, the motion of the prototype, thus wheelchair, can be controlled by the simple movement of hands of the user sitting on it. This helps a physically weak person to move independently on his own. Some of the salient features are: it is easily operated, simple hand motion controls the direction of the wheelchair. The design is simple and thus less complexity and cost is involved. It needs less maintenance. The main application of such a wheelchair is found to be at various places like hospitals, homes, offices, etc., where a physically impaired or a physically weak person can move independently. This small idea can be a path partner for most of the people who want to move independently. Hope that our small attempt will be a ray of light to many. Thank you.